This is Charles II, the man who turned England's post-Puritan gloom into a non-stop party. But how did we get here? Let's rewind a bit. We don't need kings. Yeah, you rock, Cromwell. And we'll ban Christmas celebrations. And we'll ban theatre. And we'll ban colourful dresses.
Boo! You stink!
After Charles I lost his head, literally, the monarchy was abolished. Oliver Cromwell ruled as Lord Protector, but since he kept banning fun things, no one really liked it. When Cromwell died in 1658, his son Richard proved less than impressive. So in 1660, Parliament called Charles II back from exile. The monarchy was restored and Charles made his grand return. You know what this country needs? A party. This guy loved to party a lot, and the people seemed to like his style. Your Majesty, we need to address the Catholics. No, the Protestants are the issue. Can't we just dance about it? Can we instead talk about the political and economical state of the world? What a buzzkill, am I right? Charles II was careful to learn from his father's mistakes, who faced many problems due to disagreements over religion. So Charles II was tolerant in religious matters, tried to balance religion carefully. And of course, he was a fashionista. He popularized powdered wigs, extravagant clothing, and set trends that stuck around for centuries. Legend has it he loved ravens so much that he made them a permanent residence of the Tower of London. They say if the tower's ravens ever leave, the kingdom will fall. So I command you to keep ravens in the Tower of London, permanently, at the government's expense. But what about my observatory? Relax, I'll get you another one. But first, this is a matter of national security. Come back here, you feathered menace! The kingdom depends on you! And so the ravens stayed, and still do. To this day, they remain some of the most famous residents of the Tower of London. His reign wasn't all fun, however. On September 1666, the country saw the Great Fire of London. Charles personally helped fight the flames. Buckets, get me buckets, and let's throw in some brandy for morale. Even encouraging new plans to redesign London into a more modern city. Your Majesty, maybe fewer water slides. You're so boring. But we're keeping the fountains. Now the thing is, all his spending needs money, and Parliament was getting a bit annoyed. No, Charles, we're not giving you the money for an over-the-top party. But it's for the nation. How's a golden unicorn statue good for the nation? National morale? No! Buzzkill. So Charles did what anyone else would do. He went to France. Hey, can I have some money? Sure, if you support our war against the Dutch. Yeah, sure, whatever. And become Catholic. What was that? No backsies. That's true. Charles did make a secret deal with the French, but delayed the Catholic conversion part until his deathbed because he knew England wouldn't accept it. As well as making new taxes and getting loans, he found ways to keep the nation out of financial ruin. And of course, what do you want this time? A giant disco ball. If we give it to you, will you stop bothering us? Yes, definitely. Fine. And about that golden statue? No! You're fired.